Here we will write a program to check whether entered number is odd or even using parameterized constructor. So in comment line we will write it. Since we are going to use constructor, first we will declare one class chk odd even. Here we will declare one local variable n and we will define a constructor. As you know, the class name is a constructor name. And here we will use constructor with parameter. Then we will assign local variable with constructor variable, and then we will declare one method odd even. Here I have declared the method as a string, that is it will return string value, and here I will check if n mod 2 equals 0, this number is even number, so I will return number is even, else I will return number is odd. Now to execute this, in another class main method I will create object of this class. Before that I will accept the number from the user. For this I will declare one variable n and I will accept the number from the user. So in console.writeLine enter number, and in n we will accept it. After this I will create the object of the class that we have declared chk odd even, c equal to new chk odd even, and we have defined this class with constructor with parameter, so I have to pass the parameter value which is n. And then in console.writeLine I will call the method c.odd even and we will execute it. It will ask the number, I will enter 5, it will print number is odd. Here we have used this console.writeLine with this c.odd even method. Since here we are not going to print the value, only we are going to return the value. So to print the value we use this method in console.writeLine.